Hey everyone, let's talk about how to fix Rover payment processing error. So to fix a Rover payment processing error, one of the quickest fixes is to use a web browser because the app glitches are common. Just head to one of your web browser, for example, Google Chrome or Safari. Then go to rover.com. Then tap on a website and then log into your account. Now the next what you can do is restart the app. Just force close the Rover app and then reopen it. Now the next what you can do is reboot your phone because a quick device restart often clears temporary cache or connectivity issues preventing the payment handshake. Now the next thing what you can do is verify the payment information. Just check that the billing address and zip code entered in Rover exactly match what your credit card company has in file. Rover accepts major credit or debit cards and Apple Pay. Make sure that your card isn't expired and hasn't been flagged by your bank for an unusual charges. Now, if you're paying via Apple Pay, just verify your default and details by going to your device settings. Then tap on the name or your Apple ID at the top of your screen. Then go to payment and shipping and make sure the details there are accurate. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.